Take command of the road in the 2009 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, power moonroof, a power liftgate, a tonneau cover, skid plates, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.